I'm going to show you one of my favorite scenes from season 5 of The Boys, and I want you, yeah, you. I want you to spot the visual effects. Quick warning, this scene is more or less spoiler free, but if you haven't seen the finale yet, what are you doing? Go see it. Elon Musk loved it. You have been warned. Here we go. Did you see it? It's right here. Wait, the muzzle flashes. Yep. Visual effect. The walls, yeah, also visual effects. Check. Actually, every gunshot, every wall hit, every piece of dust in this whole scene turns out to have been visual effects. It's all visual effects, baby. It's often these scenes, invisible visual effects scenes like this, scenes that add to the action in the story without ever calling attention to themselves, that are just so satisfying to me. This work was done by the visual effects company El Ranchito. They handled a lot of the blood work this season, and specifically that cameo-filled sequence in episode 5, which also, by the way, was like 95% all CG. Hats off to El Ranchito. Thank you for being creative partners with me on season 5 of The Boys. It's about now you might be asking, why didn't we use any wall charges, or as we like to call them, Zerg hits? And normally we do. It's kind of our thing, and I would have recommended it. I probably did recommend it in production. It came down to the location rules. This wasn't a set, this was a real location. And this location had strict rules against us doing any of that stuff. Why didn't we build sets? Great question. In TV, we do often build sets. Our production designer, Jeff Mossa, built some stunning ones this season. It comes down to space, time, and money, and a lot of logistics. It means you usually have to budget some days on stage and some days on location. On the network TV shows that I came up on, we'd often shoot something like, I think it was like 8 days an episode, and what we called 5 days in and 3 days out. We'd do 5 days on a soundstage and 3 days out on location, just to kind of open up the show and give it a breath of fresh location. Fun side note, you may have heard the term bottle episode. That's when a show shoots entirely on existing stages for one episode to save time and money for that episode's budget. So if you're watching your favorite network crime show and suddenly the precinct location is held hostage with everyone in it for the whole episode, now you know what's up. For me, I love the marriage of it all. Sets, locations, restrictions leading to creative problem solving, and the use of visual effects, not just for spectacle, but for driving the story. My point always stands. You use the right tool for the situation you're in. Try and walk 8K steps a day if you can. It'll add years to your life. Peace.